Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a one product Shopify store using the starter plan. So whether you're just starting out in e-commerce or an experienced seller looking to test a new product idea, this video will cover everything that you need to get set up and start selling. I'll also share tips on how you can get started with Shopify absolutely free on your first 3-day test drive and then save a lot of money on your first 3 months. So let's get started. So the very first step to getting started is that we want to create an account on the Shopify platform. And then from here we want to click on the Start Free Trial button. And for convenience, you can use the direct link in our video description, which will apply the special offer discount automatically if you decide to upgrade later. On the sign up page, enter your email address and create a password. And of course, make sure to use a valid email that you can actually access. When signing up using the link, you will get a 3-day free trial, and then after that you can upgrade for any one of these plans for $1 a month on your first 3 months, which is more than enough for you to get started and get a feel for the platform. After that, Shopify will take some time to set up your store and take you to the dashboard that will look like this. And the next step would be selecting a store theme. Shopify will provide you with a simple base theme to get started. You can easily change it later on. So click on this tab to customize an online theme, and this is where you can manage all front-end elements of your Shopify store that customers will actually see. So under the themes section, you can browse through the different theme collections that Shopify offers. There are 10 plus free themes and hundreds of paid themes across various niches and categories. I would suggest selecting a clean minimalist theme for your solo product store to avoid overly complex themes. And you can preview how your product might look across different themes. Once you find one that you like, install it. And of course, later on you can fully customize it further, but this base theme will do for launching our test store. And once your storefront is ready, it's time to add the Start First product. So let's go back to the main dashboard and then click on the product section. Click on Add Product button to manually start creating your first item. We want to start by entering the product name, details, and description. Make sure to be as accurate and representative as possible with the titles and the content. And this plays a big role in SEO and conversion. Next, we need to upload quality images that potential customers can rely on to make buying decisions. Definitely avoid using stock imagery if possible. Make sure that the images clearly showcase all of the angles, variants, sizes, uses, and all of that for your test product. And finally, we have the pricing details. You can keep it simple for starter stores and not overcomplicate things with multiple variants. Hit save product once done, and your first item is now live on Shopify. Your starter product is now uploaded, but to really make it shine, you need to customize the look and feel of your Shopify store. So again, head over to your online store section on the left sidebar, and this manages all your front-end customization for your customers. So click on themes and then hit customize. And here you can tweak all the elements like colors, font, layout, and more to match your own branding. Ensure that everything looks visually appealing and on brand. You can also add brand logos, banners, emails, and the other design elements. I highly recommend that you spend some time on this to really make your solo product stand out beautifully, just like these sites. After that, you need to clearly showcase that your store policies around payments, shipping, returns, and all of that so customers know what to expect. Go to the settings section and then click on payment. Turn on payment gateways like credit cards, PayPal, etc. that makes checkout easiest for your buyers. Next, define your clear shipping rates based on product weight, customer location, or customer carrier account rates to eliminate any surprise fees. You can also set the order and cart value thresholds for free shipping, which is always a nice lure for the customers. And this completes all the prerequisites for your lean solo product Shopify store. And the final step is to connect your own custom domain name or launch with the default Shopify URL. And once you toggle your preferences, Shopify will make your online storefront publicly live for sales 24/7. And the very last step is that as orders start coming in, use Shopify's analytics to gather customer feedback and fine-tune your product offerings. And that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions on this topic in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.